In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Whop balance quickly and easily using your Whop dashboard. This is a really useful skill if you want to keep track of your earnings, review your recent activity, and understand exactly how much money you have available at a glance. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because your balance information is available from the seller dashboard area, and the home section gives you a quick overview of your account performance. Next, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. Here you'll see the dashboard option. Click on Dashboard to jump into your existing seller panel. This should take you directly to your main dashboard view, where your earnings details are displayed. Once you land on the home section of your dashboard, look at the top of the page. You should see your total balance displayed clearly. Whop also shows an interactive earnings graph here, which gives you a visual snapshot of your balance and performance over time. This is a great way to get a fast overview without having to dig through multiple pages. If you want to see more detail, scroll down to the activity section on the same page. This section shows your complete live history of transaction logs, payments, and payouts. It's especially helpful if you want to confirm recent earnings, check when a payment came through, or review changes in your account activity. So to recap, the fastest way to check your Whop balance is to sign in, open your dashboard from the left sidebar, and then look at the total balance at the top of the home section. If you need a more detailed breakdown, scroll down to activity to see your full transaction history. That's it. Now you know how to check your Whop balance in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.